Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fade in or fade out a video in CapCut PC. So for us to be able to begin, let's import some video first. So we want to go ahead and add in the fade in and fade out effect. So as you can see, I have different clips already in here. And for us to be able to get started, we're just going to add this onto the timeline. So if you don't have a video yet, just simply click onto the import option in here to browse onto your different files, or you could simply drag and drop a video in here so that you could add them. So let's drag and drop the video also here onto the bottom part just like that. To add in a fade in and fade out effect, we're going to click onto this certain video in here, and we're just going to hover here onto the video and click onto basic. So if you scroll down further in here, you should be able to find in the blend. So we're going to add in a keyframe for this one for the opacity. Let's click onto add keyframe, and then let's move this one up until where we want to go ahead and fully reveal the video. So we're going to add a keyframe also in here so that we could add in the fade in effect. So we're going to click onto this arrow, the last keyframe, so that it will take us back to the last keyframe just like that. And then we're going to lessen the opacity to 0 for that one so that it should go ahead and add in a fade in effect. So if you do a quick preview, this is how it should look like. So it did added a fade in effect. Now to add in a fade out effect, we'll do the same thing. Let's hover here onto the last one. Let's add in a keyframe, and then let's add in a keyframe also in here to go ahead and start the fade out. So just like what we did, and then we're going to click onto next keyframe in here, and then we'll zero out the opacity for that. Right after, let's do a quick preview, and this is how the fade out should look like. And that is just basically how you add a fade in and fade out on a video in CapCut. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.